this video, I'm going to show you how to become a digital creator on Facebook, turning on professional mode. Now open your Facebook app, tap on the menu settings on the bottom right, and then tap on your profile. Now just click that button and then tap these three dots next to the dashboard. And then you can see there, turn on professional mode, tap on it. Now what you can do here, you can get paid for your content, see content insights, and let more people follow you. Even if they don't send your request, they could be able to follow you. So once you continue that one, in here you have to establish your presence and connect with your audience by filling in these informations. So you can create your new content in here to complete the steps, and also I'll show you how to do this. So just type anything that you'd like to share to your audience and then click next on it, and then you may publish now and post it. Now the next step is for you to add details about yourself. Just edit this and fill in the specific information and save the details that you have written, and that will be completed. Then the next is you have to add your bio and let others know about you, what you do, what your hobbies, anything that is interesting about you, and then click save on it. So as you can see, the check button, and also make sure that you have your profile and your cover page. So it's now all completed. You'll be able to see it on your account that professional mode has been turned on already. So if you wish to turn it off, you can just go back there and turn off the professional mode. Now that's a process. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.